Welcome back to my channel. I just realized that I did not film an intro or really an outro for this video. This is a completely different day, different look. On today's video, it's been super highly requested. I'm gonna try to insert a picture right here. The people that I do have on my social media were very amazed and impressed at how much my body's changed. And even throughout those years, like in between, I was just going through a lot of changes. My body just kept fluctuating. I kept gaining weight. I kept losing weight. I kept gaining, my booty back. I kept losing my booty. It was just, again, I was fluctuating. I was trying to figure out what was good for me, what wasn't, and so on and so forth. But when I posted this picture, I got mad love, like mad love, and I am so blessed and I'm so grateful for all your guys' kind words. It made me feel good. I've seen my own progress, so I'm proud of myself, but the fact that other people can actually see it too blows my mind, and just make even more proud of myself, because you're so used to seeing yourself every day, so a lot of the times you don't really notice the changes. That's why it's always really good to take before and after pictures. Even if you feel like your body isn't changing, even if you feel like you still are looking the same every day, trust me, just keep pushing, keep doing the hard work, and within time you'll notice and see a difference. You may not actually physically see when you look at yourself in the mirror, but once you compare those photos, you really see how far you've gone. Even till this day, I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like,
shit, I look the same, like my legs are too skinny.
And again, nothing wrong with people who are, skinny. Love yourself in your own body. But for me, I was never happy to be 88 pounds. And it wasn't even a good 88 pounds. Like, I really wasn't eating and I wasn't working out really either. So it's just a lot definitely has changed, and I've come a long way, and I'm just so proud of myself.
Excuse the double chin, as you can tell, I've just been eating good, girl, eating good.
Don't be afraid. That's another thing. A lot of people, when they want to lose weight, they decrease their calories, and then it's not good. It's not good. That's a whole other video that I could totally get into details on. But anyways, sorry, I'm like a little hyper and then a little happy because I'm really happy to be back. It's been a fat minute since I've posted on YouTube. I was nervous to show like my face. I don't know, I felt like
no one's gonna watch my videos, people are gonna get bored. Are they good
in your head a lot? And I really pushed to just stop that and just basically do this shit for me. And then whoever wants to join can join. I was always nervous because I always felt like people were going to be
like, oh, what? So now she thinks she's a YouTuber?
No, I don't think I'm a YouTuber. I'm just posting these videos, one for me, two because I've had a lot of girls hit me, how are you growing that ass? How are you gaining that weight? The good way, of course. I'm doing this for those two. So again, if you're watching this, I love you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So this is what I eat in a day, and I'm gonna take you guys through a little bit of my workout. I hope you enjoy. Besitos. at a new gym here working out. I brought you guys along with me. Guys, we're literally dying right now. I'm trying to film as much of my workout as I can, but it's been a little hard. Sweating tips right now, really bad. We're about to hit leg press. I just hit deadlifts. I don't think I filmed that just because I'm working on my form. Yeah. Me estoy muriendo. I can't. I literally almost passed out. I had to run to the restroom because the AC is on in there, but not in here. Some good footage. I'm just gonna do about 30 minutes of cardio, the Stairmaster right there, and then I'm done for 2 days. It's already 5 o'clock. I've been here since 2. I noticed that when I try filming, it does take a lot more time. Let's get it. 30 minutes of cardio. I'm almost done with it. It's okay, a solid 6 out of 10, 6.5 give or take. But the macros are really good on it. It's 100 calories, it's 7 grams of sugar, or it's 1.5 grams of fat, and 16 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber. This has 6 grams of protein. Okay, if you want something to snack on. I also added a little bit of blueberries in it.